In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can access the internet here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the settings bar from your PS5 home screen and open this up. And once you are in here, go ahead and select network. And then from here, hit connection status and then hit view PlayStation network status. What you're going to want to do once you're on this page is just scroll down till you see this little tab down at the bottom. What you're looking for is an About Us tab or a blog tab. You're going to probably have to open up both of these because for whatever reason, sometimes one of these is bugged. But essentially, open up one of these options and just scroll down until you see a Stay Connected tab. And once again, this is going to be either in About Us or it's going to be in Blog, or it might even be on both. So open them both up. Find the option for here for YouTube and open it up. And this is going to redirect you to the PlayStation YouTube channel page. Up in the top right, once the page fully does load, there's going to be a sign in button. Go ahead and select that sign in button and then go ahead and select privacy right after. And then you're going to want to look towards that sign in button again because right next to it, you're going to see these little app icons. Go ahead and select this and then hit Google search. Once you hit Google search, you're going to be on that fully functioning web browser. So you could really search for whatever you'd like, or I just now selected, I'm feeling lucky and it took me to Google Doodles. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.